Welcome back to the channel everyone, and this is the review of the Gundam Astray Red Frame Master Grade. The first thing you notice about the Gundam Astray is its strong samurai-inspired design. Unlike many other Gundams that have a more military or futuristic appearance, the Astray combines modern mechanical engineering with traditional Japanese aesthetics. The most obvious example is the Gerber Astray, a katana that serves as the Astray signature weapon. Instead of relying on beam sabers like most of mobile suits, it carries a sword that resembles a real samurai blade. The design itself also reflects this inspiration. The slim proportions make it look fast and agile rather than heavily armored, much like a samurai who relies on speed, precision, and skill instead of brute force. The helmet features a distinctive V-fin that resembles the crest worn on traditional samurai helmets, while the red inner frame gives the Gundam a striking and almost warrior-like presence. This combination of traditional Japanese culture and futuristic technology is what makes the Astray Red Frame so memorable. It doesn't just look like another Gundam, it looks like a mechanical samurai brought to life, which is one of the main reasons I bought this Master Grade kit. I have spent around 22 hours building it across 4 days, 6 hours for the body, head and arms, 5 for the legs, another 6 for the waist, and 5 more hours for applying decals. The Astray Red Frame has one of the best mechanical leg designs I have ever seen on a Gundam kit. The inner frame looks amazing and the leg articulations works flawlessly without any problems. However, I wish the arms had the same level of articulation. They feel a little flimsy, especially when I try to put the Gundam into dynamic poses. Sometimes it's harder to keep the arms in the positions I want. The tactical arms too is one of my favorite parts of this kit. It can transform into several modes including sword, bow, a flight mode, tactical arms, and the delta form, which I really love it, and this will be the way I'm gonna store this on my shelf. Each mode gives the Gundam a different look and fighting style, making the Astray Red Frame even more fun to display. Overall, the Master Grade Gundam Astray Red Frame is an amazing kit. It has a beautiful design, excellent mechanical details, great articulations, and one of the most unique weapons in the Gundam series. Even though it has a few small problems here and there, like some weaker arm stability, the good points of this kit easily make up for them. The tactical arms too, the samurai-inspired design, and the impressive engineering make this one of the most memorable Master Grade kits I have ever built. I would highly recommend this kit to anyone who enjoys Gundam, especially fans of unique designs, powerful weapons, and Japanese-inspired samurai aesthetics. For me, this kit deserves a score of 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.